Just picked up the keys to a brand new project. Purchase price £450,000, but we're in the heart of a really affluent area here. It's £1 Million Row. Our challenge? Can we add value to this? Can we make this a £1 million house? Currently, the main house comprises of a large kitchen dining area, and then upstairs we've got 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And then the coach house to the side has an additional bathroom and 2 medium-sized rooms. Let's go check it out. So, currently you've actually only got 1 living space downstairs in the main house. So that's something we need to build upon, because you've got this large space which probably would have been sort of living dining area. And then if you follow me, you've got this sort of kitchen area, which is a bit dated. You know, you've got locks on kitchen cabinets and stickers and signs that all need removing just for us to make this into a £1 million house. Let's go take a look upstairs. At the top of the stairs, we've got this nice landing area, and one of the things we love about this place is all the original features. So we want to try and showcase these timber beams. More on that later, but let's go take a look at one of the bedrooms. So currently, bedroom number 1, I thought we could keep this paintwork because it's gorgeous. Not. So all 3 bedrooms in this property are roughly the same size, and what they've actually done is they've studded in line with the beams that we want to expose. This would have been a window at one point, but they've actually blocked it off, so we could look at reopening that. And we just want to try and manipulate the layout up here just to create more space and just to kind of provide a big master bedroom. If you have a look at the floor plan, you'll notice bedroom 1 is directly above the entrance. So the idea is we will get rid of this floor and open this up so you've got amazing high ceilings from the ground floor all the way up to the roof space, exposing the beams, and then we can have a staircase rising up into the extension and providing access to the accommodation to the right. Bedroom number 2, similar size, once again, really nice high ceilings. You'll be able to actually see from this room that you can see where they've studded in line with the beams to my right and to my left. And I think it'd be really nice to expose those, but decent sized room. And then you've got the 3rd room, which is on the far side. Another good sized room, and once again, look, you can see here are the beams that we want to expose. Everything's got to be ripped out, of course, and we just want to try and create a key master bedroom. And then, as discussed, I want to try and turn this into a 5-bedroom property. So we will need another bedroom up here at least. And then the final room upstairs is this shower room, which obviously needs to come out, but it's cool because we've got plumbing, and the plumbing's right next to the 3rd bedroom. So there's potential to make this into an ensuite, and then we can get more accommodation in the extension. So we've had a look at the main building. Now let's check out the coach house. And the great thing about this project is it could be a 5-bedroom property, or we can chop it right here, and behind us could be a separate 1-bedroom unit. Okay, so let's go take a look. So firstly, we've got a bathroom, and there's some nice natural light coming in, decent space, but clearly it's going to need all ripping out, and we'll just start again. As we continue to go down, you've got a 2nd room, which I think at one point would have been used as an office space. So you'll see, you know, there's a pharmacy medical cabinet there from where they probably used to keep the meds. And one great thing about this whole sort of plot here is it's all stud walls, which means we've got loads of flexibility. We don't need steels, so we can rip this all out and change the layout to however we want. And if you keep following me, keeps going and going and going, you've got the final room, which is also another decent sized room. So we've got quite a lot of space to play with. Oh, and there's one more thing I want to show you outside. So I'm at the front of the property now. That was the room I was just in. And if you take a look behind me, you can see there's actually an additional outhouse in here with even more space. Let's take a look. As you can see, it looks like this was probably used as sort of a utility laundry area. You've got toilet, sink, you've got space where the tumble dryer would have gone for. But as far as we're concerned, this is more usable space. As you can see, stud wall again, so we can rip this all out and make this part of the coach house. So you've had a tour of the building. Now let's go through what we're planning. And in order for me to do that, we're going to need to go out to the back garden. My favorite part about this whole development is look at the size of this plot in the back. So this is where the magic's going to happen. So it's extension time. So one of the main objectives is to create more living space downstairs, and we need more accommodation upstairs. So we're going to do a 2-story extension coming out for the majority of the span of the main house. That's going to mean a large kitchen dining area, as well as a study and then a living room downstairs. And upstairs, it's going to allow us to create 2 bedrooms, 1 ensuite with a dressing room and 1 communal bathroom. Cool, eh? So that's the main house all sorted. In terms of the coach house, the garden's that big, it feels like they could have their own outdoor space. So if you follow me, what we're actually looking to do is partition a little bit of this outdoor space and have a separate exit from the rear of the coach house. So super exciting project, and I can't wait for you to see the transformation. Budget, 150 to 175,000 pounds. Timeline, I'm thinking around 6 months, give or take, depending on the length of time we're waiting for planning to go through. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll see you when it's all done.